So guys, today we are going to harvest our first corn. So I've been having so many challenges because of this corn. Corn doesn't used to grow here that much. I don't know. Last year it was the same thing. This year I am also having a very non-healthy corn. Just look at them. Look at them. I am not even happy about it. I am not happy about it. So I have decided to come and harvest. You can imagine. It is not even doing well, and I have pests attacking them. Just look at pests attacking them. So this is the few I got. I just wanted to eat corn because for the whole of this year I have not eaten any corn. The whole of this year I have not eaten any corn. Moments that we treasure together. Daddy is not here. Why are you shouting every moment treat from the meals we share to the fields out there. So I decided to take the ones I am seeing. All these ones are very little, but I am even grateful for them because I couldn't even get this amount last year. I couldn't get this amount last year, and I don't know if I should cook it or roast, whichever one. Look at this one. Look at this one. A farmer's heart in every seed we sow. Cameras capturing every laugh and smile. Moments that we treasure together all the while. Life with care gets sweet. Every moment a treat. From the meals we share to the fields out there. Every moment a treat from the meals to the fields out there. This is so hands in the soil, together we grow. A farmer's heart in every seed we sow. So let me sing. Cameras capturing every laugh and smile. What is it? Go and pluck another one. Go and pluck another one. Life is tech, it's sweet. Every moment a treat. From the meals we share to the fields out there. So look at what we got. We have very few that are so matured. These ones are even stunted, and I think they're not yet matured. But I just have to harvest them like that because I am not just happy, I am tired. So this is what we got. Let's go and do justice to that. See you next time. Bye.